What a mess!
This is unbelievable!
We have to clean this up.
But where do we start?
Oh no, what a mess! Toys everywhere, I must confess. Blocks and cars all on the floor. Let's clean up and explore.
Step around, watch your feet. Cleaning up can be a treat. Music on, let's begin. Turn this mess into a win. Pick it up